What's good, everybody? It's your favorite DJ Sleazy Joe. Today we are talking about upgrading the Hercules Inpulse T7 with the Innofader X3. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the stock fader on the Hercules is great. It's A1, but the Innofader is a game changer. Not only is it super easy to install, man, this thing is buttery smooth. If you want your cuts to sound smoother, cleaner, and just overall better transitions, this thing right here is for you. Today I'm showing you how to install it, how it performs, and why this is one of the cleanest mods that you need to add to your Hercules if you haven't already. Let's get into it. No stress, no teardown, just straight drop in install. Super easy, super clean. I'll walk you through all the steps. Just follow along with me. Here's what you'll need to make this smooth. A Phillips screwdriver, a Torx key, which comes with the T7 or a toolkit, the Innofader X3 with a red adapter board, a towel or cloth to protect your board and keep track of the screws that you're taking out and putting into the faders. And of course your USB and your laptop so you can test the fader later. First thing you want to do, make sure the T7 is powered off and unplugged. Pull all the fader caps off, pop off that clear plastic, and get ready. Alright, let's run through the install, step by step. Remove the 4 Torx screws on the faceplate. Then take out the 7 Phillips screws holding the fader board cover. Pull off the metal plate, now you'll see the fader board. Unscrew the 4 Phillips screws holding that board down. Unplug the power cable. Now you're going to take out your fader, drop in your Innofader with that red board, plug it in, and then screw it back down. Next, you're going to want to either put your metal plate on and reattach those screws, or reattach the clear acrylic cover that comes with the Innofader, which is a personal favorite of mine. Once everything's in place, plug the T7 back in and let's run calibration. Here's how. Hold down the back and range buttons on deck 2, then power on the controller. When the FX buttons light up, let go. Move the volume faders up and down twice. Do the same with the crossfader, all the way to the left, all the way to the right. When the buttons are lit, you're good to go. Let's test it out.
DJ Sleazy Joe.
Bro, not gonna lie, the cut in is crispy. The fader is super light, no lag, no drag, just glide. Whether you're chopping it up, doing crabs, or just trying to level up your blends, this fader gives you precision and control. And the install took maybe 10 to 15 minutes tops. If you're looking to upgrade your T7, this thing is a must. You don't have to spend $2,000 on brand new gear when you can spend $175 and upgrade the gear you already have to make it pro level. Again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you drop any comments that you have, any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe. More mixes coming, more videos, more content, more vlogs, of course, more DJ tips. Thank you guys again for tuning in. More coming soon. And I also will be dropping a Hercules review, full in depth. This thing is my favorite board. You guys have a great one. Sleazy Joe signing out.